Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of the welcome kit which we have been waiting for since a long time. We couldn't get our welcome kit in starting days because it was in transit, but now it's here. So as you can see, there's this bag and we got a box, and in this box there are some things. And the first thing is this diary which has the logo of Union Bank of India printed on it, and it shows the foundation days and something about that, and it's a pretty good diary. And then there is a pen with the same logo. I really like the pen. And then this is the keychain with the logo printed on it. And there's one more thing, and this is the clip which shows Union Bank of India logo. Yeah. And in the second compartment there are a lot few things. Then this is the mug, and this is a thermal mug, and yeah, with a lid obviously. And then there's this bottle with the Union Bank of India logo printed on it, and it also has the temperature indicator. Then there is this charging sort of thing. I don't know how to operate it because I didn't use it earlier. So yeah, proud to be an Unionite obviously. And then there is this wallet. So we got wallet like this. It's a girl's wallet, and boys got their type of wallet. So yeah, this was the change in the box. Boys got the wallet of their, and we got girls wallet. Yeah, so these are the pretty much things which we got in the welcome kit. And yeah, let me show you the bag quickly. So this is the bag which we got along with the welcome kit. Yeah, it's a good bag, everything is good. Now, as we are a part of Union Bank of India, proud to be an Unionite, I'm very proud of it. I want you to see this video and get motivated. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.